Happy Love Month. So today I have a huge LV haul for you. Hello my loves, welcome back. So to celebrate the month of Feb, which I like to call Love Month, I thought I would make my background pink. What do you guys think? Is it a bit of fun? Pink is one of my favorite colors, and I thought for this video here, which will make sense soon, I'm going to put pink as my background. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. Come join the family. Just hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell so you're notified every time I upload. There's going to be giveaways this year, lots of positivity and giving back, both to you as my fam and also back to the community. A lot of you guys love the idea for the sponsored child, so I'm on that and I'll update you soon. So this LV haul has been a long time coming. I've bought some items. One of the items I bought months ago and he only kind of just arrived in end of December, a couple of things from December, and yeah, a couple of things last week. Anyway, let's get started with the very first item. Okay, so let's start off with this box here. So this is something that I got in December, and let me just open it. And actually on my Instagram, I asked you guys, which one did you like better? And let me show you. It is my first Louis Vuitton skirt. So this is the skirt that I got. It is a mini skirt. It is A-line. And I asked you, did you like the gray better or the navy blue? And I think most of you actually picked the navy. And I love the navy so much as well. But I kind of liked this one because it was a little bit more subtle. Maybe my husband's influencing me with a little bit more low-key items. And this is the back. So the back just has a zipper and then it's got this tab with 2 LV buttons. I just think this skirt I will probably get more wear out of because it is grey, even though the navy, as I said, was beautiful as well. This one, I don't know why. I think because of the composition. This one ended up being about $700 cheaper than the navy. So let me tell you how much it cost. It is like wool, I believe, like a wool blend. So this skirt was $2,020. And like I mentioned, the navy version was, I think, about $700 more. So I'm so happy to be adding an LV skirt to my collection. As I've told you before, in the last couple of years, I am definitely buying more designer ready to wear. And yeah, so that is the LV skirt. I will put a little mod shot of when I tried it on in store, but it just fits really, really well. And for reference, I'm a Louis Vuitton size 36. So next up is something I got last week, and I want to ask you guys something. So in this box here, as you can see, this is the special Lunar New Year ribbon and the little card, which I love. So yes, the Lunar New Year red packets have arrived, and this is what they look like. So this is the box, and then it's a magnetic box. When you open it up, it's got all this beautiful LV in the red and gold. This year is the year of the ox, but this year LV didn't put the ox on there. They just did it really classy, and at the back it's just got the LV there. So the question I wanted to ask you is, you guys know that every year for the past couple of years, maybe even 3 years, I've done a red packet giveaway. Now this year, it is definitely a lot harder to get red packets. Some of the brands aren't doing it, or they're getting very, very minimal amounts, which is only to their like VVVIPs. So were you interested in me still doing a red packet giveaway? It won't be as many brands as say last year, but I'm more than happy with the ones that I've got. I'm thinking I could get at least 8 to 10 brands and all the you know, really popular brands like LV or Hermes or Dior, Cartier, for example. I'm more than happy to do it. I might even add maybe a little something for a first prize winner in addition to the envelopes. Can you comment below? Are you still interested, even though there might not be 20? If there's less, like only 8 or 10 different designers, would you still like me to do it this year? Can you comment below and let me know? And yeah, these are the first ones I've got, and I just think they're great because you can use them all year. And really, actually, these envelopes, you can use them every Chinese New Year because it doesn't have the animal on it. Okay, so next up is something in this box here. And as you can see, yes, this is the card from Christmas. So I got this probably around mid-December with something else I'm going to reveal next. So I did hold out on this because, yes, delayed gratification, and I'll explain when I unbox the next item. But let me just unbox this now. I'm loving this pink ribbon, which I didn't even know LV did. Anyway, in here is, dun, 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 this, just put this down, beautiful white silk blouse. Actually, you might not be able to see from far away, but let me just bring it closer up. And what I loved about this 100% silk blouse is there's just a micro monogram all the way through. So it's really, really subtle, and it's silk. Surprise, surprise, Mel loves silk. And it's got this tie, which is not, actually, it is. Actually, I haven't seen this shirt for a while, but see that zip all the way at the collar? You can actually take this tie off, but I actually really like it with the tie. I mean, even on the ends of the tie, they've got the flower motif in gold metal, which really just adds to, you know, how polished this blouse is. I just think this is a timeless piece, something that you can just wear for years to come. And I love that the tie is also detachable. So I believe this is called the Micro Monogram Jacquard blouse. But everything that I mentioned, if there are links, I will link down below. Now, this is actually not new season. I think it was even from 1 or 2 seasons ago. And that is why I had to go up a size because my size had sold out. So this is actually size 38, but I don't mind anyway. I think with a silk blouse, for it to be a little bit flowy because I plan to tuck it in, whether I want to wear it to work, but it transitions beautifully. Like if I'm at work and I need to go dinner, like this works so well. I mean, you could even wear it with jeans. And yeah, I just really, really like this timeless blouse. So this retails at LV ready to wear. Actually, all designer to ready to wear is pretty pricey, but I think I would get a lot of usage out of this. This is 2,540 Australian dollars. So that is another piece of ready to wear that I picked up. Okay, next up is something in here. And let me tell you, I ordered this, I don't even know, but it took so long to arrive. I think I may have ordered it even in like September, maybe even earlier. Anyway, let me explain why this took so long. So in here, I got, now you'll see a special dust bag with blue embroidered Louis Vuitton. That's because this is a very special SLG, and it is, dun, dun, dun. This is the LV card holder, but this is all over in Python. So I love this because the finish is sort of glossy and, you know, the scales don't lift or anything like that. Yep, this is made in France. So usually exotics, as you know, whether it's in bags or anything like that, is so much more expensive. But surprisingly, this was, I mean, it's still expensive, but I think it was just over 1,000 Australian dollars. And I know they didn't get that many pieces. So for a normal card holder being, you know, about 400-500, or even some of the other ones being, you know, some of them are even like 700-800. I thought that this was pretty good for it being an exotic. But anyway, I just love it. It's really hard to describe the feel, but it's really just really smooth, and I really like the black and the gray. I just think it is stunning. So what do you guys think? And yeah, I just waited so long for that because it had to pass through inspection and everything like that, because they ordered this from Asia. So you can see it's got, you know, a little care booklet for exotics, because this is an exotic. And that is the little card holder that I bought months and months ago, but it was worth the wait. Okay, so next up has a little bit of a story, and yeah, let me just show you. So it comes in this packaging. So yes, it is from Christmas. This was later than the blouse because this was actually on my wish list, but I thought I missed out. And yeah, anyway, let me unbox it and let me tell you the story. Okay, so first up, remember how I did my video, you know, I buy the most popular Louis Vuitton bag. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above. And anyway, I bought something from the Game On collection. You guys know I'm not a Neverfull person, and I bought the Game On Neverfull. And I did like it for a Neverfull, don't get me wrong, but I still don't think I love it. So I ended up returning it, which I hardly ever do for LV. Anyway, I'm rambling. In here, for those who watch the video, you know that I had one thing on my wish list from the Game On collection. And it is this. And let me tell you, this is so hard to get in Australia. So I can't say I got this. Actually, okay, let me just show you. What am I doing? It is, yes, absolutely, the heart bag, the coveted, popular heart bag, which I think in Melbourne, we might have only got a couple, I believe. But oh my goodness, I put my name down for this bag, and this is the funny story. Okay, so I wasn't sure when I was talking to my essay about my, oh, hi Dom, if you're watching, go see Dom from Collins Street. Anyway, I was talking to him about the LV Neverfull, and I was like, oh, I don't know if I like it or not. And I'm like, did you still have my name down for this? Because, you know, apparently it's so hard to get. And he's like, yes, you know. So I can't remember the day. It was definitely before Christmas. And I came out of a meeting and I saw like 8 missed calls from my sales associate. And I was like, oh my gosh, what is wrong? I saw the messages and it was like, Mel, the heart bag came up. I need you to give me a call back in 15 minutes, blah, blah, blah. And then and then it was like, oh no, Mel, where are you? And it's like, it's gone. And then I called him and I'm like, is it gone? Am I too late? Because you know how they have to send the link and you can pay through the link anyway. And he's like, it's gone. And I was like, oh no, I was so upset. I was like, I can't believe it. Like the meeting, the one time I didn't have my phone on buzz or whatever. Anyway, I thought I full on missed out. So fast forward, after I've done the whole video about the LV Neverfull, returned it. I told you guys this was the bag on my list. I thought I completely missed out. So it turns out that my SA actually called my husband, and luckily my husband was available to take that call, and so he bought it. But no, he didn't tell me, and they secretly plotted saying, I'm just going to tell Mel, you know, missed out on it and everything like that, and then you can decide when you want to give it to her and things like that. So my hubby didn't tell me about this, I think, till New Year's Eve. So he had bought it like mid-December or around then, and he didn't give it to me till a couple of weeks later. It's like, oh, what a way to ring in the new year. I love. And so I was so wrapped. I love this bag. I love it. I know not everyone loves hearts, but I love hearts, and I just love this shape. I think it's really playful. I think it's really fun. And basically I wanted to hold off because I thought, you know what, since I've got the start of the year, February, I like to call the month of love, because it's not just Valentine's Day. You know, I also like to do things for my kids. It can be, you know, loving your kids day, partner day, Galentine's, everything. So I always call, you know, February the month of love. And so appropriate to obviously unveil this heart bag because, you know, for February. So this is the heart bag, or the Coher monogram bag. And this, I do have the receipt. Let me just see. Okay, so it was, yes, see, yep, 16th of December, $3,150. So this bag here, you will have to, yeah. So this strap here with the holes is like the Boit Supple, I believe. I don't own that bag, but That bag is pretty much this bag, but it's just in the shape of a, circle. So this strap, I have to say, I don't love it, but I don't hate it, but I do think it goes really well with this bag. So if you look at the zipper, you unzip it like this. Let's see how, oh, okay, it's not bad. You definitely need two hands to unzip it, but it's just so cute. So inside is all microfiber lining. You won't be able to see. With one pocket, this one here is made in Italy, and then it's just got all the little, little care cards and that inside. And yeah, this was my favorite from the Game On collection. Yeah, I just really like it. I just think it's really cute, and it's just got that little bit of LV with the love heart there. So I'm so wrapped I have this. And yeah, because when I saw it on the runway, or when I knew it was coming out, I was like, oh, I love that bag. So that is my heart bag, and I'm very happy I have her. And last but not least, this is something that I did get last week with the red packets. So as I said, with the red packets, this is another one. I have 2 boxes. So I'm more than happy to give away 2 lots of LV if needed. And oh, I just realized this is different. This comes in different cases. The other one was a magnetic case, and this one is a paper one. Oh, I didn't even know that. But anyway, this one might have less. I'm not sure, but whatever I have, I'm happy to, give to you guys. So let me show you the last thing that I got. And this one is quite symbolic. I love this. I'm actually loving this red ribbon. And if you guys didn't know, red is a very auspicious color in Asian culture. It's, color of luck. Anyway, in here, I had to get this. This was so cute. I got a bandeau, and let me tell you why. So as I said, this year is the year of the ox, and when I saw this one, I thought it was not only so cute. So that's the little ox there sitting on a little pink LV trunk. It is in the prettiest color pink. This pink matches perfectly with my Hermes Rose Sakura Kelly 25. But I also love this side too, which is in white. But the reason why I got this is because Miss S is actually born in the year of the ox. So I think eventually I might just sort of collect each one of our, what is it called? Yeah, the Chinese zodiac sign. So Miss S is an ox, so that's the perfect first one. Plus she loves pink as a color. It does come in other colors too. And this one here retails at 345 Australian dollars. So I got that last week, and I love a bandeau. You guys know I love twillies, bandeau, all these scarves thing. I'm just a huge fan. So that's the last thing from this haul. So there you have it, guys. That is my entire LV haul. Bits and pieces of everything, but I'm wrapped with every single piece I got. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment below if you would still like the Lunar New Year red packet designer giveaway. I'm happy to do it, even though it's a little bit smaller this year. So have a fabulous day or night. Stay safe, guys. Love you heaps, and I will catch you soon. Bye.